Now let's go to number 16. Calculate the average age of customers grouped by gender and show which gender spends more on average. Let's go to the SQL. So first thing to do is to select the gender, um, the average of year, and now minus year, date of birth, as the average age, the sum of price times the quantity on the purchase slash count distinct of customer ID is the average for ABG spending from the customers see inner join purchases on customer ID equals fill the customer ID, then inner join product details on purchase product details ID equals PD dot product details ID, inner join the products on PD dot product ID equals P dot product ID, and then you have to group by the gender and order by the average spending in a descending order with replicate. So this shows the gender of female and male, and their average age is no, and then their average spending is 5.7, and the result that's the result of their average spending.